Action Figure Wrestling, and today we have another toy unboxing and / review, and today we are going to be unboxing Shinsuke Nakamura. So I've been wanting Shinsuke for a while, because where we live it's really hard to find Shinsuke because I guess he's kind of fairly new, and I really like his pants, and also Shinsuke is the United States champion right now, and I like Shinsuke Nakamura kind of now, because I think when he's heel, I think he's a bit better, I feel like. And yeah, let's get this started. So yeah, he has red pants and red shoes. He has these pants where it doesn't actually put like their feet, like, or when they're laying down, it doesn't actually put their feet. It's just their clothes. But yeah, he has like a band, I guess, like a band, and his hair looks exactly like that, and his face skin looks like pretty much like that. And then he has these black wrist things. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it now. So, of course, he had the secret. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there. So, now, we finally have Shinsuke Nakamura. I've been waiting a long time for this figure. Whenever I get a figure, they're all, like, stiff and stuff. Ugh. Cut. Ding, ding, ding. The Miz versus Shinsuke Nakamura. Oh man, Shinsuke Nakamura throwing the Miz over the top, or pushing him into the side.
How many fingers are on the microphone?
Get the Miz versus Shinsuke Nakamura. Miz throwing some punches. Shinsuke throwing him in. Miz over the top rope, pushing Miz into the side rope. Oh man, going Shinsuke, kicking him. Oh man, going over the top. Oh no, Miz. Oh man, onto Shinsuke Nakamura. The Miz going in, but Shinsuke. Oh man, with the reverse side move. Shinsuke throwing in some punches. Going in. Oh no, he's getting it ready. And Kinshasa. Shinsuke going in for the pin. 1, 2, kick out by the Miz. Get the Miz versus Shinsuke Nakamura. Miz throwing some punches. Shinsuke throwing him in. Miz over the top rope, pushing Miz into the side rope. Oh man, going Shinsuke, kicking him. Oh man, going over the top. Oh no, Miz. Oh man, onto Shinsuke Nakamura. The Miz going in, but Shinsuke. Oh man, with the reverse side move. Shinsuke throwing in some punches. Going in. Oh no, he's getting it ready. And Shinsuke with the Kinshasa. 1, 2, 3. Shinsuke won. Shinsuke. So I rate this figure 10 out of 10 because I really like the detail that they put in the face skin. It looks really on point. And I really like the figure and the way that it moves, and it's a part of the SummerSlam series. And yeah, I really like it. Bye guys, thanks for watching.